I've talked about TikTok way too many times, so how about one last time? I am no TikTok influencer, nor celebrity, anyone really, but knowing the algorithm doesn't need fame. Most social media work the same. Interaction equals recommendation. And while TikTok works the same, it is, in my opinion, the only social media that requires luck. TikTok has mostly relatable content, YouTube Shorts has highly edited videos, and Instagram Reels have... The easiest to do is relatable content, and because of this though, everyone is doing it. So what can you do about this? Post consistently. I will talk about only one factor in this video, the algorithm. And if you guys want and this video does well, I'll make a part 2 about other factors in depth. So videos on TikTok have 6 buttons that impact how your video does. Follow, like, comment, favorite, share, repost. Follows don't impact one video's performance, but overall the next videos you post. Likes are the most used, but it doesn't help too much. Comments are very helpful to be able to communicate with viewers, but also to improve video performance. Favorite is not too useful. It does not impact performance almost at all, but at least your video is someone's favorite, so that's nice. And the big deciders if your video does well or no is shares and reposts. Sharing a video just twice after being uploaded almost guarantees hundreds of views. It also depends on the video. Don't post something like this. And reposting means that somebody wants all their friends to see this video without having to send it to everyone one by one. While it may help to share, reposting puts it on all people's For You pages, so they are more likely to like for some reason. Also for videos, every month there is a new meme, so make sure to use them for views. And to end it off, slideshows are really easy views, just make them funny, original, and you'll be fine. Anyway, that's all I wanted for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.